What's up, everybody? My name is Daniel McGee, and this is my YouTube channel. This is my very first YouTube video, so everyone bear with me. If you are here, thank you very much for watching. In this video, I'm kind of just going to give you guys an overview about myself, and then I'm going to get into why I'm making this channel. So without further ado, let's get into the content. Alright, first off, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about myself. My name is Daniel McGee, I'm 25 years old, and I live in beautiful Bowling Green, Kentucky. Right now, I'm working at my parents' pest control company here in town, but I'm going to tell you guys how I got here and to this situation. I never thought I would be doing pest control. I grew up in a small town about 2 hours away from here called Murray, Kentucky. I grew up there my whole life, and then I went to college. I went to Western Kentucky University for 1 year, and then I transferred. I went to Auburn University, finished up my career there. I was a swimmer my whole life. I grew up swimming. I swam in high school, I swam in college, and I still swim some now, but not very much because I'm kind of getting tired of it. I graduated from Auburn University in 2018. I got my degree in business administration, and I took a few entomology classes while I was there. After I graduated from Auburn, I decided to stay in Auburn, and I worked at a pest control company down there for about a year. After working at that pest control company, I moved back home to my hometown in Murray, and I worked at my parents' pest control company for an entire year. And the latest development is how I got to Bowling Green, Kentucky. My parents purchased a small pest control company here in Bowling Green about 9 months ago. So here I am, and I've decided to make YouTube videos. And I'm going to tell you guys all about why I decided to do this here next. So, why am I making YouTube videos? I want to make YouTube videos to talk about pest control. And the reason I want to do this is for one reason, is to make money. Just kidding, of course, I would love to make money, but that is not the goal right now. The reason I'm doing this is because simply I believe that I have something to offer that I can share my knowledge and experience with a lot of people on this platform. Based on my firsthand experience, pests are something that everyone will have to deal with at some point in their lives. And as I have advanced in my career, I'm realizing more and more the big role that pest control plays in the world. And on top of that, pest control knowledge is extremely misunderstood. I've seen time and time again pest control companies and their owners and technicians misleading the general public, misleading their customers, and offering them services they don't need. I don't think they do this on purpose. I think it's mostly because they are either not good at communicating, they're not properly training their employees, or they just don't know what they're doing, and they go out to people's houses or businesses and they say things and they do things that either don't really help, or they're just trying to charge the customers more. I just want to share my knowledge and experience about pest control, what I've learned, and I'm going to help all you guys with any of your pest control problems, show you guys some cool stuff. And also something I'm really excited about is I want to show you guys some of the crazy bugs and insects and infestations that I come across every day that a lot of people never get to see, but it's pretty cool stuff. Cockroaches, bedbugs, termites, wasps, mice, you name it, they're all right under your nose. So why should you trust some 25-year-old that's just getting into pest control? Well, it may seem like that, but I know a lot. I know a lot of good stuff. I've spent countless hours reading, working, firsthand experience, reading articles online, reading books, being in customers' houses, and that's where you're gonna learn the most, is being in these situations, seeing what's going on. And all this that I've learned, I'm gonna share with you guys. If you guys have made it to the end of this video, I thank you. I'm surprised you did, but thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna be posting videos on a regular schedule. I'm gonna be posting at least once a week. I'm gonna be posting more in the summer. There's a lot of crazy insects that come around in the summer, and I'm gonna show you guys all about it, show you guys what we do. In the meantime, just comment anything you want me to preview, anything you want me to video on, of course, this video or any other videos, and I'm sure I will get it done. I'm going to answer every comment that comes on this channel. So thank you guys so much. This is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm sure you probably didn't, but thank you for watching. Peace.